Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the game version and DLC so check zombie mechanics are active. This prevents wasted steps. Next, collect 3 seeds, 1 fertilizer, and the check zombie lure item if the game has it. Plant in a plot with at least 50% sunlight and no hostile spawns nearby, because placement affects spawn checks. Once planted, apply fertilizer to speed growth and immediately enable the lure. This combination raises the chance of generating a checked zombie during the first growth cycle. Once done, monitor growth timers closely because the game runs 2 tight windows when check zombie evaluations happen. Missing them costs you a cycle. Make sure to water and reapply fertilizer on a 12 to 24-minute cadence to push the plant through those windows faster and trigger spawn checks consistently. Remove any pests or nearby mobs that can override spawn logic, and rotate adjacent plots if needed to balance soil signals. These actions increase the probability the game flags the resulting zombie as checked. To finish, harvest precisely during the check zombie flag window because timing locks the attribute to the entity. Delay and you lose it. If you don't get a checked zombie, clear the plot, wait 1 full growth cycle, and repeat with the same lure and timing. This reset removes residual state that blocks checks. Make sure to keep a backup lure and log the timing that worked. That way, when things go wrong, you can reproduce success quickly rather than guessing at intermittent mechanics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.